It is now time for us to start getting into the blogs. But before we do that, I know I keep dragging, but before we do that, we need to, this is our blog page. There's no navigation. There's no header. We gotta fix that. And fix it we must. So, we're going to jump into our component. We're going to create a couple files. First one is going to be the main. I'm going to call that main container.jsx. Okay. And RFC tab. Pretty simple. Okay. We are importing copyright. Not that. Okay, like this. We're importing copyright. We are importing simple bar. And that is from React Sample Bar. What else? We're going to be importing our header. Import header from header. We haven't created that one yet. So let's comment that out so it doesn't throw any errors. All right. Now, we're going to do simple bar. And let's style it up a little bit. And we're going to do max height is going to be 100 view height. And we're going to say force visible Y. And auto hide, we're going to set that to false. Sample bar is just, it's what is sample bar? Let's do npm sample bar React. Okay, what it does is instead of you see like this right here, I don't like it. It's bulky. Sample bar is just an easy, slicker scroll bar that we're going to implement. Okay, and it does require for us to import this right here, but we already did that in our index right here, so we don't need to do that here. Okay. Gonna take props. So over here we're gonna do props.children, and below that we're gonna do our copyright. Okay. If we were to go to our home, not our home, our blog page right now, our blog list, if we import main container, and we're going to do it like this. So main container, that's it. That's our hierarchy. If we're to do that, and then now you see our copyright is up here. So anytime from now on, any new page is going to have this main container, and whatever's in here in the main container is going to be there, and whatever we're adding in that new page is going to be children of that main container. container. Okay, so code once, use multiple times. I need a header. Let's go to Material UI, MUI, and let's get us a header. And for Material UI, that's called an app bar. I like this one. We're not going to be using much of this, but that's the one that I like. Let's see if I can find. No, this will do. So let's copy that. Okay, and we're creating our header file right now, header.jsx. We're pasting that, and time for some cleanup. What I like about Material UI, they do give you a lot of templates. You just remove the parts that you're not using and modify it to your liking and make it work for you, which is pretty much, this is the tech industry right now. No need to reinvent the wheel. Find what you need, customize it to make it work for your purpose, and that's that. Every once in a while you may have to give someone credit, their due credit. Whenever you come to that situation, you do just that, and then you keep it moving. App bar, CVs, let's do that. Now if we go to main container, and if we do header, and we uncomment that, now our header should populate right here. What it's going to look like is like this, but we're not going to be using these. We're not going to be using a search bar. So yeah, let us modify and get rid of the stuff that we don't need. Okay, so toolbar. We're not going to be using the search. Let me show you something. Our header is really going to be a lot of cleaning up, and once we're done cleaning up, we'll just add the files that we need, the logics that we need to make it ours. So search, that's gone. It should disappear here. Should disappear, and we're going to change this to demo blog. That should change. What else? A couple stuff up here that we need to get rid of. We need to get rid of these two. Search icon needs to go. Input base needs to go. Mail icon needs to go. Wait, nope. Still need. It does need to go, but we just need to get rid of it at a better time. These need to go. Let's see. Okay. View word wrap. Okay. What pages do I need? What pages do I need? Let's look at this one. Again, sucker, major sucker for indentation. So let's get that to work. indentation makes things so much easier to read. Toolbar, let's do that one. Typography, okay, so far so good. Box. This one. This is the mail icon. We're gonna stop right here, not to keep this video too long. Actually, let's just keep going a little bit. Let's do const authenticated. And that's going to be an array. Let's go blogs. Profile. We're going to add that somewhere down the line. In our render menu, let's make sure in our render menu, what do we need for the render menu? Yeah, we just need to log out. So let's log out. Handle logout. Let's call that up here const handle logout. A couple things we need to add to it. Handle logout, we're gonna do handle menu close, of course. We're going to do logout user, that's going to trigger an error. And we're going to do navigate, also going to trigger an error. Navigate login. Navigate login. And clear blogs. Let's import that. Let's do import. Actually, that's not done yet. I can't do that just yet. Okay, so let's like that. Okay. So in the render mobile, the menu, we're going to need a couple things. We're going to need a couple icons. We're going to need a book icon, we're going to need a person icon, and we're going to need a logout icon. We're pushing 15 minutes on this video, so we're going to stop this right here, and then we'll continue working on the header in the next video. I'll see you guys soon.